you, welcome to my channel. If you are new, and welcome back if you are not. I'm so glad that you're here with me today. This is gonna be a pretty random video. I'm gonna be all over the place over a few days. If you watched the previous video, you guys know that we are about to downsize and move, so I need to get some decluttering done. But I'm gonna be cleaning the kitchen right now before I start dinner. I might take you along while I make dinner, not sure yet. I'm also gonna go upstairs and kind of declutter my linen closet and just little things like that around the house. Start packing little by little so that it won't be very overwhelming. So you're in for some good motivation. Don't forget to push the like button. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you can see me during this moving journal. So let's get started in the kitchen. I'm just gonna clean the daily dishes and then start cooking.
I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi.
So this was a work day and my girls had just gotten out of school, so they were sitting at the table doing their homework. And I was in the middle of cleaning out our fish tank. Our fish passed away, so I was just getting that away. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these dishes. Our dishwasher is not working again. And rather than replace it or get it fixed, we're just like, you know what, it is what it is. We will let the new people know what's going on before we move out. So I am just going to hand wash these dishes and put them in the dishwasher so that they can dry. So that's what I'm going to do first, and then I'm going to go ahead and start dinner, and then I'm going to go upstairs and declutter my lovely little linen closet. And there actually turned out to be a lot of comforters and sheets that I did get rid of, so I was really happy about that.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen.
I totally forgot how relaxing doing the dishes was. My 14-year-old chore now is to clean the kitchen every night whenever I'm done cooking. And I think that once we move, I'm actually going to take that chore back because I really enjoy doing the dishes and cleaning my kitchen. And of course, my lovely daughter is not going to clean it how I like it cleaned. And yes, I am that type of person that will complain that no one is helping around the house, and then when they do try to help, it's just not done the way that I like it. So I do need to work on that. But anywho, I am now plugging up my rice maker. I love this thing. This is how I make rice every time now, because I used to either overcook it or undercook it. So with this rice cooker, it is a game changer. And I'm just going to make some Salisbury steak with gravy. So I'm just going to season this meat with garlic and seasoned salt, pepper. I don't know what else I used. It was just a whole bunch of different seasonings that I just throw all together. And it actually turned out pretty good. I think I end up showing you what it looks like at the end. But my daughter is showing me her computer there at the side, so I'm helping her with her homework while I'm cooking. And then I'm going to go upstairs and start packing.
Posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
now I'm heading upstairs, and as you can see, we have already started getting things sold in this room. We sold my husband's bar and the table, so that was exciting. And this is the linen closet upstairs that I never really come in. This is where we get our sheets and curtains and things like that. So I'm going to take everything out and start going through the sheets and what I do want to keep and what I don't want to keep. We are still trying to find where we're going to be living at, y'all. The market isn't like it was a couple years ago when we were looking as far as for rental properties, and that's what we're looking for now, is something to rent. And it's not a lot out here at this time. So we're still looking, still don't know quite yet where we're going to go, but I'm trying not to be stressed about it and literally just take it one day at a time. But I will definitely keep you guys posted throughout my whole moving journey and where we decided to go and whatnot.
I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer.
Y'all, I didn't realize how many different curtains I had and how many white sheet sets and white comforters I have. I have so many white comforters and white sheet sets. It is crazy, but I just love white because you can change up the bed theme by just changing out pillow covers and stuff like that. So that's why I have so much white. And I don't know where half of these curtains came from, but I'm not going to throw them away quite yet because I'm sure in different homes I'll be able to use these curtains somewhere.
Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel like
So that big pile on the floor is all the sheets and comforters that I'm going to be throwing away and giving away. I'm not going to pack them up quite yet because I know that we can utilize them while we are moving and packing things up, like wrapping TVs up and things like that. So yay, I was proud of myself.
Alright, so I don't have any more packing tape, so I will be back tomorrow.
Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under street lights, doing what we want to.
Alright, it is now tomorrow, and I did get some packing tape, and I'm just going to go and get the rest of these items packed up so that I can have one closet down and 50 more left to go.
Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Let me be. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you, make me feel. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you.
Now I'm going to go ahead and tape up this box and then label it later, and then I'm going to take all the trash downstairs and do my load of laundry. I've been doing really good with trying to keep up with my laundry. I try to do a load a day now just so that I can stay on top of everything, and then with us moving, I know I'm going to be washing rugs and curtains and just all kinds of things. So I just want to really stay on top of my laundry. But I hope you guys are doing okay. Let me know how you are doing, how your week has been. One thing that I did notice is a lot of my videos aren't going out to my subscribers. So if you guys could just, even if it's just a quick little emoji, if you could just put something in the comments just to let me know that you are here. And I just want to see how often my video reaches my subscribers. But guys, I am so happy that y'all are here with me. I'm coming to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this motivation, and definitely be sure to come back next week. There will be more packing and decluttering. So I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.